What is tachometer? So ngayon guys, pag-usapan natin ngayon kung ano yung tachometer. As you can see sa flywheel is may nakadikit na color white. So yan yung tinatawag na reflectorized sticker. Ito yung sinasabi ko. By using of a reflectorized, the sensor will count the rotation of the flywheel in revolutions per minute. Dito sa tachometer and switching the button on, so you can see the RPM, then the maximum RPM, then the minimum RPM. This time I will show you on how to use the tachometer in actual. As you can see, the tachometer is now open, then the sensor will detect the reflector sticker in the flywheel. So this is my reading is around 2000.3 revolutions per minute and 1998.1 revolutions per minute. So that will be my reading in our main engine. So that's all. Thank you and God bless.